Hi, I'm Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the 2020 Boston Whaler 38 Realm. A phenomenal boat. This boat has everything. Will do anything you want it to do. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by quad 350 Mercuries. Phenomenal power for this boat. Right up on the plane. Good top end on it. All the power you're going to need. Has all the creature comforts. If you're just going out for a ride, you've got the very comfortable bench seat with 4 adults comfortably. If you want to throw the rod over the back, just fold it up. You got rod holders around the side, easy for fishing. You got your dive ladder to go with the dive door. Great for getting on and off the boat, great for getting out of the water with it, and great for bringing fish aboard the boat if you're fishing. So phenomenal option right there. We do have a very versatile seat here. It's rear-facing seat with a very large refrigerated cooler down in here. Keep all the beverages you're going to want. Plenty of room in there with a footrest there. We also have a shore shade which covers the whole back of the boat. Fantastic option, especially in the summertime. You got an area here where you got a grill, nice prep station, sink, refrigerator, freezer, plenty of drawer space. As we move to the helm area, this seat is very versatile. If you want everybody facing forward, just go like that. Very comfortable. We can sit 3 adults, very comfortable here. Has footrest, AC for people sitting here, which is really, really nice. As we move up to the helm, we've got the digital throttle and shift. We've got the sky hook, which I have activated right now. It's keeping us perfectly in place right now. Great for docking. Has autopilot on there as well. Triple Raymarine touchscreens. Phenomenal electronics for this. Also, we've got the seat keeper up here. This boat, it could be going like this, and I hit that seat keeper button, and it basically stops it. So, an unbelievable option. The technology of the seat keeper is fantastic. Now, the cabin, plenty of room down here. Nice seating area. The table comes up for socializing. It's got a generator, so you've got air conditioning down here as well. TV down here as well. Little prep station, little refrigerator down here, and then a really nice head area, shower, plenty of room in here. The boat has all the boat covers for it. It comes with it, so it's fantastic. It's a great option for this boat as well. As we move to the bow, you've got a great walk-through, big window, and a very large seating area here. So, lounges right here, U-shaped seating all the way around in here. You got a table that it automatically goes down to a sun pad or up for a table. Entertains incredible. It's got night vision on it. It's got radar. It's got everything you're going to want on this boat. So if you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.